Have you ever pondered on which ocean poses the greatest threat to human life? It's an intriguing question that might have crossed your mind as you gazed across the vast expanse of the sea. The answer is not as straightforward as you might think, with factors such as unpredictable weather, hazardous marine life, and even human activities coming into play. The ocean, with all its beauty and mystery, can often be a harsh and unforgiving environment. Its unpredictable weather patterns can change from calm to stormy in the blink of an eye, posing a significant threat to ships and coastal communities alike. Hurricanes, typhoons, and other extreme weather conditions often originate from the sea, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. But the dangers don't stop there. The ocean is home to a myriad of creatures, some of which can pose a significant threat to humans, from the venomous box jellyfish, whose sting can cause cardiac arrest within minutes, to the aggressive great white shark, renowned as one of the ocean's most feared predators. The sea teems with potential threats lurking beneath the surface. And unfortunately, we humans also contribute to the ocean's dangers. Our activities, such as pollution and overfishing, have led to significant changes in the marine ecosystem. These changes can have far-reaching effects, not only on the health of the ocean, but also on the communities that rely on it for their livelihood. So, with all these factors in mind, it's clear that the ocean can be a dangerous place. But which ocean holds the title for the most dangerous? Is it the Atlantic with its infamous Bermuda Triangle, or the Indian Ocean known for its unpredictable monsoons? Or perhaps it's the Pacific, home to the Ring of Fire and the world's most active volcanoes? So, which ocean holds the title for the most dangerous? Let's dive deeper into the abyss to find out. The Atlantic Ocean might come to mind when considering the most dangerous ocean. But is that really the case? The Atlantic Ocean, spanning over 41 million square miles, has long been the theater of nature's fury. Its waters, seemingly serene, hide dangers that have claimed countless lives and vessels over centuries. The Atlantic is notorious for its hurricanes, a force of nature that can wreak havoc on anything in its path. These swirling tempests, powered by the warm waters of the ocean, intensify as they journey across the open sea, reaching land with destructive force. Every year, an average of 10 hurricanes form in the Atlantic, causing extensive damage and loss of lives. And then, there's the enigmatic Bermuda Triangle, a region steeped in mystery and legend. This stretch of sea, located off the southeastern coast of the United States, has been the site of numerous unexplained disappearances of aircraft and ships. Theories range from magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial activity, but the truth remains elusive, adding to the Atlantic's menacing persona. Moreover, the Atlantic is home to some of the world's most dangerous marine life. From the venomous Portuguese man-o-war to the aggressive bull shark, these creatures pose significant risks to those venturing into these waters. Looking at the data, the Atlantic's wrath is evident. Over the past 2 centuries, it has claimed more than 100,000 vessels, from small fishing boats to massive luxury liners. This figure doesn't even account for the countless lives lost in these tragedies, a sobering reminder of the ocean's power. But here's the twist. Despite the hurricanes, the Bermuda Triangle, and the hazardous marine life, the Atlantic Ocean is not the deadliest of all. Yes, it's treacherous and unpredictable, but another ocean holds the dubious honor of being even more dangerous. Despite its reputation, the Atlantic Ocean does not hold the title for the most dangerous ocean. The true holder of this title might surprise you. The Indian Ocean, home to some of the most beautiful beaches, hides a deadly secret. This vast expanse of water, spanning over 27 million square miles, is a world of extremes. It's a haven of beauty and tranquility, but also a domain of unpredictable and often deadly forces. The Indian Ocean's dangers are as diverse as its marine life, with threats that range from natural disasters to human conflicts. One of the most immediate dangers of the Indian Ocean are cyclones. These violent storms born from the ocean's warm waters are capable of causing extensive damage, both on land and at sea. Each year, an average of 5 to 6 cyclones form in the Indian Ocean, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. But the cyclones are just the tip of the iceberg. The Indian Ocean is also prone to tsunamis. The Boxing Day tsunami of 2004, one of the deadliest in history, originated from the Indian Ocean, claiming over 230,000 lives across 14 countries. This tragic event is a stark reminder of the ocean's potential to unleash unparalleled devastation. Moreover, the Indian Ocean is not just a stage for natural disasters, it's also a hotspot for piracy, particularly along the Somali coast. Despite international efforts to curb piracy, it's still a significant threat to sailors and shipping companies. Over the past 2 decades, hundreds of ships have been hijacked and thousands of seafarers have been taken hostage. These dangers, cyclones, tsunamis, and piracy, make the Indian Ocean a perilous place. But the ocean's beauty and its bounty, the captivating sunsets and the rich marine life, continue to draw us in. It's a testament to the human spirit, our resilience, and our undying fascination with the sea. The Indian Ocean indeed has its perils, but it is not the most dangerous. The most dangerous ocean is yet to be revealed. The Pacific Ocean, the largest and deepest of them all, does its size translate to danger? Let's delve into the perils of the Pacific, a vast body of water that's home to some of the world's most formidable threats. The Pacific is notorious for its typhoons, cyclones that form over warm ocean waters and wreak havoc on land. Every year, around 20 typhoons batter countries bordering the Pacific, some of them escalating into super typhoons, with winds exceeding 150 miles per hour. These storms are not only destructive but deadly, claiming hundreds, sometimes thousands of lives annually. But the ocean's wrath doesn't stop at typhoons. The Pacific is also the breeding ground for tsunamis, seismic sea waves triggered by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. The infamous Boxing Day tsunami of 2004, which originated in the Indian Ocean, demonstrated the catastrophic power of such events. However, the Pacific Ocean, with its seismic activity, is the most tsunami-prone region on the planet, earning it the nickname Ring of Fire. Then there's the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a swirling vortex of plastic debris twice the size of Texas. This environmental disaster not only poses a threat to marine life, but also to humans, as microscopic plastic particles find their way into our food chain. The Pacific Ocean's vast expanse and depth also make it a graveyard for countless shipwrecks. From sunken World War II battleships to ill-fated passenger liners, the ocean floor is littered with relics of maritime disasters. In terms of fatalities, it's hard to pin down an exact figure due to the Pacific's sheer size and diversity of dangers. However, it's safe to say that the number runs into the thousands each year, from typhoon victims to lost sailors and unfortunate encounters with marine creatures. With its vast size and numerous threats, the Pacific Ocean indeed holds the title for the most dangerous ocean. The ocean's beauty often masks its dangers. This statement rings true as we've journeyed through the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, each with its unique set of perils and threats. We began our deep dive with the Atlantic Ocean, known for its unpredictable weather patterns, treacherous hurricanes, and the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This ocean isn't just a challenge for sailors and adventure seekers, but also a constant reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Then, we ventured into the Indian Ocean, a sea often underestimated. Its dangers lie beneath the surface, with hidden reefs, strong undercurrents, and a host of dangerous marine creatures. Plus, the Indian Ocean is home to some of the most destructive tsunamis, capable of causing unprecedented devastation. But the crown for the most dangerous ocean goes to the Pacific. Its vast size alone is intimidating, spanning over 63 million square miles, more than all the Earth's landmass combined. It's not just the size but the extreme weather conditions that make it a force to reckon with. The Pacific is a breeding ground for typhoons, cyclones, and tsunamis, with the infamous Ring of Fire causing frequent seismic activity. Beyond natural dangers, human impact contributes significantly to the Pacific Ocean's danger. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change have led to habitat destruction, endangering marine life and disrupting ecosystems. These human-induced threats compound the inherent risks, making the Pacific Ocean a formidable adversary for anyone who dares to venture into its depths. Our journey through these oceans is a reminder of their awe-inspiring beauty and the dangers that lurk beneath. They are not just bodies of water, they are powerful, dynamic entities that command respect. Let us know your thoughts on this analysis in the comments. Do you agree? Do you feel another ocean should take the crown for most dangerous? Let's have a conversation. Thank you for supporting the channel.